and welcome back to my channel. This week I thought I would give myself a challenge of showing you what it is like working full-time and also running a small YouTube channel. So today is Tuesday. I've just filmed a video, so I've been at work 9 till 5. It is now currently 10 to 9. I've just filmed a video. I've just imported it into Final Cut Pro and I'm going to edit this. I need to edit it, save it, compress it to a smaller file, upload it to YouTube, do my thumbnail, do my description, do my tags, put my end screen on, put my cards, pop-ups on, and what else is there? Schedule it for tomorrow, schedule my social media posts, and then I can finally go to bed. So tonight is going to be a long night, and this is kind of the realistic side of working full-time and being a small YouTuber as well. My upload days are Sunday, Wednesday and Friday, just kind of give you a little bit of a scope at the moment. Throughout all of November last month I uploaded, all of October last month I uploaded a video for Vlogtober every 2 days, so that was like a totally different kettle of fish. This week I'm just going to show you the ins and outs of it. I'm always on my phone at work, I'm always checking, I'm always liking comments as the comments come through. When I'm on my lunch break, when I've just got like a quick 5-minute break and I'm just checking my phone quickly and stuff like that. So I'm always on my phone, I'm always constantly updating stuff like that. I put a poll on yesterday asking which advent calendar you want me to review, so I've done that and you picked Debenham's advent calendar, so that's the one that I filmed and I'm editing, ready to go up live for tomorrow. So let's just show the realistic side of how much us small YouTubers and big YouTubers, because some big YouTubers also have a full-time job or some kind of job alongside it, how much we put into this and how hard the grind is and how much effort goes in. So yeah, let's get into this. So it is now 9:20. I've finished editing the video, I've done all my bits and bobs to it, colour corrected it, adjusted the audio, introduction, outro, all that kind of stuff, little title page and everything, all done, all transitions, everything done. Now I'm gonna save it, and whilst this is saving I'm gonna pop in the shower because I need to freshen up. I need to wash my hair because my hair's disgusting. So I'm gonna do all of that and then compress the file down and do everything else as well. If I can get to bed before 11:30, I'll be really happy. YouTuber life. It is 10 to 11. I didn't even end up going in the shower. I just took my makeup off and I'm going to have to just have a shower and everything in the morning before work. But so I've done my thumbnail, I've uploaded everything. Description's done. I've done my tags down here as well. I'm done for the night. That is. And I've scheduled it to go live at 6 o'clock tomorrow. That's everything sorted. So I've been at work today. It's now Wednesday. I've been at work 9 till 5. Then went to, because I'm leaving my job and going to a different job, so I then went to my second job to try and scan on my passport and all that palaver, but unfortunately there wasn't anybody there to do it for me. So then afterwards I went to Aldi and did my food shop, and then I came back. I've been replying and hearting comments of my new video that went up today at 6 o'clock. I shared it all. I shared it on my Facebook page, my Facebook group, my Twitter. So yeah, I've done all of that, and tonight I was thinking, actually, should I come home and film a video ready for Friday? But I'm not going to. I'm going to have a night off tonight because I just feel like it. So I'm going to have a night off tonight, and then tomorrow I will film video ready for Friday, and then edit it, upload it and everything ready for the Friday, because I'm a last minute person. In an ideal world I would have it so that I've already prepped and filmed all my videos, which I did have in October. I pre-filmed so many and I've just not had a chance to catch back up ready for November to come back around. But luckily, because I'm only uploading 3 times a week now, it's not too bad. I do have a video that I can edit, which will be like a weekly vlog, so I need to edit that. And technically, if tomorrow something happens and I can't film or whatever, or I'm not in the mood or whatever, I do have like a weekly vlog that I can edit and upload for Friday if all else fails. But I do really want to do like a face mask Friday video, which aren't too long to record, maybe like half an hour to record and then half an hour and a bit to edit and then all that palaver again. So yeah, I'm gonna have a night off. Like, I never ever technically have a night off, because my night off and my way of relaxing is watching YouTube. So when I'm watching other YouTube videos, I'm always thinking, is that a good video idea? Is that something that I can do? Do I want to try that? Is that something that I can incorporate into a video my own way? Or I like how they've done that. How can I make up my own? So I'm always, even when I'm relaxing, having my downtime, I'm always in the back of my mind still plotting things for my YouTube channel. So what I've been doing recently, like I said, I'm having a night off, but I'm not technically. By having a night off, I basically mean I'm not going to be on my computer tonight, because I'll do everything else on my phone that needs doing. So what I've been doing recently is taking a screenshot of my subscribers, like this. I don't know if you're able to see, I don't know if it's going to focus, but you'll see if you've been watching me on Instagram. I do a screenshot and then I kind of crop the picture so it shows just my subscribers, and then I put this on my Instagram, and sometimes I put it on my, like, as a little post on the community part of YouTube. So I'll put it on Instagram so it looks a bit like this, and then I'll put only, like for instance, we're only 8 subscribers away from 7.9, so I'll put that on and be like, oh my god, that's Ave, like what the hell, because I'm still like super shocked by how fast we're growing at the moment. So yeah, I have been doing that quite a lot recently as well. I have been sent a parcel today, but I'm not allowed to show it just yet. I don't know when I'm going to put this video live, but they've asked for it to all be hush hush at the moment. But I can tell you that I'm going to be working with FabFitFun, which is like a brand that I've always wanted to try from watching Whitney Simmons videos and her unboxing of it, and it's like a seasonal subscription box, but I'm doing a full video on it anyway, so I'll leave all that for then. So yeah, I'm going to be sharing that on my YouTube. I'll probably read through some comments. I might even sit and write down some Vlogmas ideas. So one of the things that I like to do is, if I'm doing these giveaways monthly, so I did one in October and I'm doing one in November, and I'm always thinking ahead, what can I get from, like, what can I do as an entry for my video which will then help me in the future. So for instance, my November giveaway, part of the entry was to leave a comment down below in the video asking me to do a certain type of video for Vlogmas, because then that gives me video ideas that you want to see for Vlogmas. And it also meant that I got that feedback, but you also got something back as well, because I'm doing a giveaway, if that makes sense. So there's like 400 and something comments on that video now. So what I might do tonight is I might sit down and write what the majority of them comments are. And what I'll probably do, let's get my little notebook out. So this is a little notebook that I use to write down, is it this one? Write down video ideas? Yeah. So these are like video requests that I've wrote down previously, and I've got quite a lot, and I've got this from like before, from doing a giveaway as well, from getting video requests, and there's so many in here and stuff. So what I was thinking is I might start a new page, and I might start writing down Vlogmas ideas, and the ones that are coming up more often, I'll pull a little tally chart next to it, so I'll tally up how often that video or that type or a similar type of video is being requested, and then the ones that are getting requested the most, I will try to make sure that I at least do them videos, so that I'm doing what you're requesting. Otherwise there's no point asking you if nobody's like responding to that and doing anything. So I'll probably do that tonight. I did get a new diary, which I would highly recommend if you're wanting to take YouTube seriously and just to organise your life really. So this is a diary that I bought. I spent a ridiculous amount of money on it that like was not needed. I spent like £25 on this, and obviously got it personalised, so it has my name and my initials in the bottom corner, but like definitely don't need to spend that much money, I'm just an idiot. So what I do have is I have these little stickers that I got from eBay, www.ebo.com/USR/sequin jar, if that helps you. I don't know if they still sell them because I bought them ages ago, but if you type in on Etsy or eBay or Amazon, I'm pretty sure you'll find some. And basically what I do is I set it out for the month. So I haven't actually been following this because I've kind of been filming the videos like the day before, and it's just been kind of being something that whatever was easiest and quickest for me to do, which isn't exactly how I want my channel to run, because then I'm missing out on doing so many really good ideas because I haven't planned ahead. So I've kind of changed some of these. I've changed all these ones to reflect what I actually did from the 1st to the 10th of November. Obviously today is the 13th, and even here it doesn't match up. So this week, originally back when I planned November, I was going to upload a video every single day, like Monday to Friday, and like day 1 was going to be like a foundation collection, then a blusher, then a highlighter, then an eyeshadow, then an eyelash collection, and it just hasn't went that way. But I'll adjust that along the way, and that's something that I want to incorporate into a different week or into Vlogmas or something. Then that's what I'll do. Do you know what I mean? So don't be so strict on yourself. Like, most of the videos that I've uploaded recently weren't videos that I had planned. For instance, like the whole surprise my best friend with a trip to Disneyland Paris wasn't a planned video because I didn't know I was doing that, and I didn't know I was going to film it, and that was just like a completely like out of the blue, spontaneous, crazy decision that I decided to do, so I filmed it. I also didn't expect to get the Shane and Jeffrey collection, and I wanted to get that video up as soon as possible, so that it was still relevant, because obviously everyone's talking about it at the moment. So I didn't have that planned because I didn't know if I'd get it. I honestly didn't think I would buy, like, I'd managed to buy any of it, any of the collection, but I also didn't know when it was going to come. I didn't know when I'd have a chance to film, when I'd have a chance to edit it and upload it, etc, etc. So be flexible. Like, don't be so hard on yourself when it comes to the whole YouTube thing. Like, you are in control. You pick your upload days. If something doesn't go right, just explain it to your subscribers. They will be understanding, because they're absolutely lovely people who want to follow you because they like you. So yeah, just go with the flow. So I think tonight I'll probably start doing my list for Vlogmas, because I haven't actually planned any of December yet. So I haven't put any of the stickers on. I am going to be doing a video every single day leading up to Christmas, but I haven't planned any of it. So tonight, I think that's going to be my task. So even though I'm having a night, I'm counting it as having a night off from YouTube. I'm technically not, because I'm still doing YouTube stuff, but this is a night off for me compared to filming a video and sitting down and editing, sitting on my computer for hours and editing and knacking my back up. Like, my back's been killing me recently. So I'm trying to have a break more than what I used to previously. And technically, I know I'm saying I'm having a night off, but technically I'm still filming, because I'm filming this video, so I'm not having a night off. It's just weird how the brain works, isn't it? So yeah, I think that's going to be my task tonight, is to write everything down and do what I do. Write it all down. Write down ideas of what you want to do and brainstorm, do mind maps and everything. Like, I've done all sorts of stuff to try and help me. And the thing that helps me the most is having that monthly overview. And whenever I book anything in, my monthly overview, like monthly November, December, I always write it in pencil, because I know it's going to change. Something is going to happen. Like, if I'd wrote all of that in pen, none of it would have been right, and I wouldn't have crossed it out because it would have looked ugly, and then I'd have to write over it. So pencil, you can literally just rub it out and then put it back in. Like, you literally can't go wrong. So that's what I'm going to do tonight. I'm going to get cosy into bed. I think I'm going to put YouTube on my telly, on my Now TV box, and I'm going to watch some YouTube videos and then sit and go through my own phone and go through the comments and write down what you guys have requested. So I feel like the YouTube grind just never stops, if that makes sense. But it's worth it. Yous are all worth it. It's worth making videos for yous. And also, this is what I look like 99% of the time. I never really look like what I look like in my YouTube videos. Normally I have my hair tied up, flapping about on the top of my head. No makeup. Well, I have got makeup on actually. This is like my work makeup, but half of it came off because I rubbed my face and I'm not really bothered. And yeah, normally have no eye makeup on, no lipstick on. I didn't even put highlighter on today, I couldn't be bothered. And normally have my gigs on. So don't believe that it's all glitz and glam and everything. Like, the amount of stuff that I've had to learn from doing YouTube is crazy. I've learned Photoshop, Final Cut Pro, what's the other one? iMovie. Back when I used to have a Windows laptop, I was doing Windows Movie something. Windows, oh, I can't remember what it was. But I filmed on webcams, I filmed on cameras that needed batteries. I've had an absolute journey, and I've had to learn so much stuff from doing YouTube, and doing like a blog and a website and everything as well. So it is such a big learning curve, and it's such a big world and a big adventure out there when it comes to YouTube. So if you are really passionate, I would highly recommend just doing it. Get into it, just do it. Film on your phone. Like, phones are really good now. Just do it. Just do it. You got to think, when I first started YouTube, there was no internet on our phones, was there? Not really. Not really, no. It wasn't like proper internet on our phones. There was no, like, there's just wasn't the technology that there is now. Like, you can do YouTube on an iPad, you can do it on a phone, you can, like, there's a YouTuber that I watch called Emma Fleming, and she's got over 120,000 subscribers now, and she does it all on a phone. All of it, editing, everything on a phone. And that just blows my mind. Like, that takes so much patience. She used to film on her phone, then edit and everything, and then she got a camera, but she still does it all on her phone. She hasn't got a laptop. She does it all on her phone. So I promise you, it is possible. I've got all the equipment, and I'm on nearly 8,000 subscribers. She's got a phone, and now has a camera, but originally, for a very long time, just used her phone, and she's got 120,000 subscribers. So you don't need all the equipment, I promise you.